I'm going to show you how to change your Microsoft Office theme into dark theme or dark mode. My Windows 10 theme is in dark mode. That's why my folder background is dark. Also my browser. Now let's start by opening a Microsoft Office. This is the default theme of a Microsoft Office. Let's go to File, Account. Here in Office theme, it is set to white. We can also set it to colorful, but colorful is also the same as white. We can also set it to dark gray. The background is gray, like this. But what I want to show is we're going to use the system setting. This is the system setting. Let's see. Okay, the background is dark. What I like about the dark background is it's colder on the eyes while editing. I have a tutorial on how to change your Windows 10 system into dark mode. I put a link in the description below. If you like my video, subscribe, share, and click on the notification bell. Thank you for watching.